WorldWide Electric is a leading manufacturer of electric motors, motor controls, gear reducers, and generators. Since 1998, we have responded to customer needs with unwavering dedication, providing an exceptional customer experience. Welcome to WorldWide Electric. Our products empower applications across all industries. We offer superior, reliable solutions at competitive prices. For 25 years, we have raised the bar in quality and features. Our dedicated sales and customer service teams are ready to help, ensuring that we answer with urgency and expertise when you reach out to us. With an optimized supply chain of over $70 million in inventory across 7 warehouses nationwide, we have what you need when and where you need it. At WorldWide Electric, we still live by our founding principle, putting you, our customer, first. Our consistent dedication to quality products, extensive inventory, fast shipping, and exceptional customer support sets us apart. Motor shops, electrical equipment or power transmission distributors, OEM or solution packagers. Your customers rely on you to avoid costly downtime. We understand your urgency. Join the many organizations that count on WorldWide Electric every day.